I mixed acetone with coffee and surprised everyone with the result. You will be amazed by this product too. It's different from all the ones you've seen and used so far. To make this trick work, put 4 tablespoons of coffee in a bowl. Add about 100 milliliters of water and mix. The next ingredient you need for this trick is acetone. It is a product most commonly used to remove and dissolve many organic substances. Just 2 tablespoons of acetone are enough to remove various stains, dissolve burnt fats, and effortlessly eliminate different spots. The final ingredient in the mixture is dishwashing liquid. Use 4 tablespoons and mix everything well. Dishwashing liquid handles various kitchen stains perfectly. But in combination with coffee and acetone, it becomes even more effective. When all the ingredients come together, pour the prepared mixture into a spray bottle. This way, you can use it best and take advantage of its properties. The ingredients in this mixture, once combined and mixed, are ready for immediate use. Such a small amount is already sufficient to clean many pots and pans, or one pan, many times. Let me know if you also use coffee for cleaning in your home. This mixture will help you get rid of dirt and burnt residues from pans without scrubbing. You will be surprised at how quickly it dissolves grease layers compared to many other products designed for this purpose. It's different from all the ones you've used so far to remove stains and burnt residues. Just apply this mixture to the burnt pan and let it work. Light burn marks will disappear immediately. You won't even need a scrubbing brush. It will only come in handy for stronger burn marks. You can also use this mixture on various other stubborn kitchen stains on metal surfaces and aluminum pots. Just remember not to clean plastic surfaces with a mixture containing acetone. Apply this mixture to the burnt pan. You'll be surprised by the results. To prepare this amazing cleaner, you'll need ingredients you likely already have at home. First, take a small bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of coffee to it, preferably ground coffee. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt. The fine salt crystals act as a gentle abrasive, helping to remove stubborn stains and burnt spots. After that, pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap. The soap helps eliminate greasy and tough stains. Mix everything carefully until you have a smooth paste. Apply the mixture to the burnt surface and let it sit for a few minutes. During this time, the ingredients will work their magic. Then, scrub the pan with a sponge. The results are almost immediate. Use this trick regularly, and your pans will look as good as new. Enjoy clean pans, and don't forget to share this trick with your friends. Place a bar of soap in a pan and pour Coca-Cola over it. You'll be amazed by the result. This combination is brilliant. Prepare the pan and then grate an entire bar of soap. It will take a moment, but the results are worth it. Add 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola, enough to cover the soap shavings. Also, add 100 milliliters of water. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent it from burning. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, mix 100 milliliters of water with a tablespoon of salt. Once everything in the pan has dissolved, add the contents of the bowl. Mix thoroughly. Pour the entire mixture into a container and seal it tightly. Place it in the refrigerator and wait for the soap to solidify. When it's ready, it will change color. Use it to clean burnt pans. See how easily you can get rid of burn marks with this homemade trick. Just take a bit of the soap and wash away the burnt residue. It took me just a moment, and my pan looks like new, without scrubbing or using a scouring pad. This mixture doesn't damage Teflon or delicate surfaces. Your pan will look like new. I'll show you a simple and effective method to make your pan shine. Say goodbye to old cleaning methods. Start by sprinkling salt on the pan. It acts as a natural abrasive. Next, pour dish soap over the pan to tackle greasy stains. In the next step, sprinkle baking soda over the surface. These ingredients work wonders on different types of dirt, removing stains and streaks from steel components. Now, place a few paper towels over the pan. The paper will absorb excess grime and grease. Finally, pour vinegar onto the pan and let it sit for a few minutes. The vinegar enhances the effectiveness of the previously used ingredients. After a few minutes, rinse the pan with warm water and dry it. As you can see, all the burnt residue is gone. Now your pan is clean and ready to use. With this method, you no longer have to worry about burn marks. Try it yourself and see how easy it is to clean a burnt pan. I put the pan in a plastic bag, and the results are amazing. This trick will make your pan look brand new. It's so effective you'll want to share it with friends and family. You only need 4 ingredients and a plastic bag. Cleaning a burnt pan can be a real hassle, especially when grease and high heat make it hard to scrub kitchenware easily. This method changes everything. Start by pouring a cup of cola into a container. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which is great at removing greasy stains. Then, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap, a tablespoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of dishwasher rinse aid to make the pan shine. Mix it all together. This combination is perfect for removing tough stains and spots on steel surfaces. Now, prepare a bottle for the liquid. Remove the cap, heat it with a lighter, and poke a small hole in it, or use a bottle with a nozzle if you have one. Next, place your dirty pan in a plastic bag and pour the solution over it, ensuring the entire surface is covered. Tie the bag with the pan inside and let it sit for an hour. After an hour, take the pan out, scrub it with a scouring pad, and rinse with water. Your pan will look as good as new. This easy trick keeps all my pans shiny and spotless without harsh chemicals. Apply this to your pots and pans. The results will surprise you. They'll look brand new. Thanks to this trick, my pots are clean and shiny. To prepare this super cleaning solution, you only need 4 ingredients. First, take 5 lemons. Cut each lemon into 2 equal halves. Then cut them again to make quarters. Put the cut lemons into a blender and blend them thoroughly. If you don't have a countertop blender, you can use a hand blender. Strain the lemon juice from the blender into a bowl using a sieve to remove the peels. Take another bowl and divide the juice into 2 parts. In one part, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix well until there are no lumps. In the other part, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix again. Now, combine the 2 mixtures by pouring one into the other and mixing them well. Your pot and pan cleaner is now ready. Simply apply it to a burnt pot. Wait a few minutes, and then scrub the pot with a scouring pad. You'll see the results almost immediately. Use this trick, and your pots will look like new.